Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for watching for my video. My name is Vidalin Pacheco, 44 years old. Have a live-in partner, not married. I have two kids, ages 18 and 2 years old. I have five brothers, 3 sisters. I am a youngest of my family.
Okay. And what is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate.
Are you an ex-abroad?
I have an experience before. I worked in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, 2 years and 3 months. My main duty is cleaning the house, cooking, washing, ironing.
You need also to serve the family members.
And I also serve
You serve the family members.
3 family members.
So there are 3. Who are the 3 members here?
One elderly and 2 adults.
So it means the elderly have 2 sons or 2 daughters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how old the kids?
The kids are 32 years old, twins,
So they are
boy and girl.
still living with the mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your madam is a widow or a single parent?
A single parent, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. She stayed in the house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How was your relationship between you and your employer before?
They treat me as one of the family, ma'am.
So it was good.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you did not continue working with them?
Because of the pandemic, ma'am.
Oh, so you went here in the Philippines during pandemic time? That was year
2020, ma'am.
2020. So you went home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now you're planning to work again abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to prepare for the good future and to my kids.
And who will look for your children if you're going to Hong Kong?
My live-in partner, ma'am.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any day off before in Middle East?
Yes, ma'am.
What day?
Once a month, Friday.
So you have once a month day off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in Hong Kong, your future employer in Hong Kong, no Sunday off will be given to you, only weekdays. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept only twice a month off and the 2 other off will pay you?
I will, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you love kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept job order there's a newly born baby in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
How about there's a grandparent staying with your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Ma'am, sir, I promise I will finish my contract and I will do my duty and I will work with you as long as you need me, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2170.